Are you looking for land, lifestyle, and privacy? Well, this isn't just a home. It is 5 acres of possibilities. Whether you envision an equestrian homestead, a mini farm, or a private estate designed for entertaining, this property adapts to your lifestyle. With over 4,600 square feet of living space, this 4-bedroom home offers panoramic views of the heated saltwater pool and spa. For the equestrian enthusiast, this property provides ample space for horses to roam, a 4-stall barn, chicken coop, and even a custom-built treehouse that will make any child smile. Contact me for a private showing and make this rare gem in Canton yours to call home.